Why is scarcity so motivating? Well, we're wired to want what we can't have. And the more we can't have it, the more we want it. It's like kids trying to reach for the cookie jar that's just out of reach. We keep going for the things that have been taken away. So how does this show up in our world? Well, things that are rare are much more valuable. And things that have a limited time offer become incredibly valuable. It's used in advertising all the time. This time only, limited time, get it now before it all disappears. It's all got to go. It's all got to be cleared. The more limited the time is, the faster people feel like they have to make a decision, and they get a panic response saying, oh, well, I better get it now because I don't want to miss out. Rarity, the concept that there isn't much of something, brings the same response. If there isn't much of something, people feel like they're going to miss out. When you're dealing with people in a work situation, positioning something as being only available for a short time, yes, I'll help you, but only if you get it to me by morning, that can be hugely motivating, much more motivating than telling somebody what they'll gain from it. So if you want to motivate somebody, it's much more important to tell them what they think they're going to lose, what they think they might miss out on by not following your direction, than it is to tell them what they might gain.